Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a job search on Jobstreet. So if you're a job seeker and you want to find a job that suits you the best, I'm going to show you how to do that on Jobstreet apps. So this is the mobile version, but if you want to use the browser version, you can also do that. So I'm going to open the Jobstreet app first. As you can see at the homepage, this is the recommended jobs that is Jobstreet has shown for me. I can apply into this, or you can also search manually. Just go to the search icon at the bottom and then click on the search column. As you can see, Jobstreet has divided into each specialization, and you can pick one that suits your background the most. For example, you has a skill on maybe healthcare or manufacturing or hotel or restaurant. Just pick one, for example this one, and then you can also sort it by relevancies, date, or etc. And then you can also adjust the filter. For example, you can adjust the location that is probably nearest you. For example this one, and then can go back, and you can also change the specialization, for example hotel management or tourism services. And you can also search based on the salary provided by the employer, for example this one, and then click done, and then click on apply. As you can see, the jobs found has been sorted into your preferences. Okay, and you can just click on one of them, and to apply, just click on apply now. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can do a job search on Jobstreet. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.